There are two kinds of people who look good on camera, but in real life they're like okay. They look better on camera, and I come in the second category. That is like they look better in real life, but camera hates them. So, and a lot of people have told me, like few of my good friends have told me, you know what, Sana, you look so much better in real life. I don't know why on camera you don't look the same. You look way better in real life. So yeah, that's what it is.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another day in this little corner of my life. So Saturday started with Mr. Zaid. Yes, he had a dentist appointment, not just dentist appointment. Zaid even had to get his tooth extracted, and we went to Sulaiman Al Habib. They did a fab job. So he was a bit nervous. I was more nervous, to be honest, but he cried and somehow we got it extracted. So the whole day just went on like this. I just took a quick coffee date with my friend. Pura din I was just getting things arranged for the week. So this is from the next day, Sunday. Zaid was at home because definitely he was resting, and Jabran school जा रहा था. उसके बाद I was busy with Zaid the whole day trying to entertain him, and then I thought of making something special, so I was making fish. These are fish fillets I had ordered from Noon, I think, and this fish just tasted amazing, just like fried fish. I mean, my kids loved it, my husband loved it, तो उसका मतलब बहुत अच्छी है if Jasim likes it. Okay, so सबसे पहले what I did is I added these fish fillets in lemon and garlic. उसके बाद I tossed them in this Besan mixture, and then I shallow fried it in some mustard oil and garlic. Meanwhile, the potatoes were getting boiled. Our potatoes को भी I made smashed potatoes. You just need to boil potatoes. उसके बाद baking sheet पे रख के you need to press and then put basic spices and bake. Oh, it turns out so amazing. बहुत crispy, बहुत ही tasty. Everybody loves it. Okay, so potatoes के लिए भी there are basic spices: olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper and oregano. If you want, you can add chili flakes. My kids don't like it, so I did not. And then see, the fish fillets are done. So you have to like fry each side for about 2.5 to 3 minutes, not more than that. So your potatoes भी हो गया. I just cut them and then I put them on this baking sheet. And see, this is how I'm gonna press it with a really hard structure. The thing is, I overboiled potatoes. Please don't boil them. मेरे ज़्यादा हो गए थे, but don't overboil them. So anyhow, I tried to adjust. उसके बाद I just brushed this mixture of olive oil, oregano on top of the potatoes, and you need to bake it for about 30 minutes or 25 minutes until it's crispy, and then you need to sprinkle Parmesan cheese on the top. Since Zaid was a little bit cranky, so it was difficult, it was chaotic, so I forgot to record when I was putting Parmesan cheese. And yeah, I try to clean up as I go. फिर उसके बाद मैंने एक normal green salad बनाई. Simple. I had to keep the kids entertained, so we did Uno ka, I think 2-3 rounds of Uno. Dinner was served and the kids really loved fish. I mean, they enjoyed it a lot, and it really makes me happy when kids enjoy food that I cook. All the ingredients and the recipe for this crispy killer fish fry and salad and even potatoes will be in the description box below. So the day did not end there. I had a nerve gun battle with the kids. Oh my god, it was so much fun. So that's a wrap for today. See you in another one. Bye bye.